Точно с нас, бе.
Right. I see you, V. Yeah. I'm out here. Hit me with the supersonic like a zoo bat. That's why I keep running like how the fuck could you do that? Almost thought I moved back, now I remember why I dipped. Cause most of y'all think differently than I ever did. Small town living, everybody know each other. You get bored so you have to just enjoy each other. Ain't no place to breathe, ain't no place to grow, ain't no place for me. And you know me, I like the flow, but that shit was like a dead end. Good times but nothing else. Close-minded but I broke the mold and did it well. Fuck my reputation up the whole time, I couldn't tell. And see you love cause you hate it, I see you in hell. Met a girl while I was out there but she fucked me up. Even after I was out and she done fucked me up. My worst move was ever giving her just enough. And nothing left to myself, I was out of luck.
Гаджета, гаджета. Изрод. Аре бе, изрод. Урод. Ти големите ръки, че. Аре! Аре! Fucking sick, mate! Oh my fucking god! Дай ме тъмче. Оп, так. Чудесно е. Давай! Ще скочи ли днеска? Не го фанах. О, какъв врат. Така, здравейте, дами и господа. Ние сме в хотелът на България Тъщаланд. И сега ще ви обясня как стоят нещата. Това легло, то е много исторически богато. Тук е спал Петър Стоянов. Така, второто легло, тук е спал Тодор Живков до него.
Аз също съм упал чершафите.
Чершафи, така, отиваме в следващия стая, дами и господа. Тук са спали звездите на Втората световна война. Както виждате, Софийката майна.
Здравейте, приятели! Това е петия епизод на Джакузи маняци.
Джакузи маняци.
Пускаме водата.
Не!
Ето брат.
О, Владимира Янева. Ето как Хитлер е с едно копче, дами и господа.
Ето как се
избивал 1000 евреи. Ето вижте.
Избивал семейства.
Разрешенията за специални разузнавателни средства.
Кажи нещо.
Hit, I know you with it. Take a sniff, I bet you wouldn't. More money, more prime, more grams and more hoes. From my mind, creep with me. Third eye frequency, like Jesus beat. I'm trying to free the slaves, young minds, bad brains. No shame, no history, no name. I want mine, no rights, I'm not blind. 5 letters, fuck you, a vendetta. If she don't suck dick, useless, not with her. I'm saying we the hope. I'm saying we the dopest. Every new trend, these artists jump like ropes. I tie it around your neck, nigga, choke, nigga, choke.
No. Пуши сега. Просто ми направи лъжите да падна. И всяко, и той по.
If labels are in a panic, rap should be reprimanded. I rap like I'm on the canvas, keep shredding, keep herring.